Welcome to the Whurthy Services training video series. This is Module 1, the Staff Experience. In this first video, I'm going to walk through the customer profile. We're going to start by looking at the Whurthy Links sidebar. We're then going to identify how to find customer profiles and search them, and then look at the customer profile in preparation for being able to book an appointment. In this demo, I'm using the URL whurthyservices.com, which is taking me to our demonstration site's homepage. On the homepage, when you're logged in, you'll be able to see my tasks and useful links. And these useful links are worth a read. Over on the right-hand side, you can see Whurthy Links. And as we look down, as we pan down, we can see that there are a couple of sections I want to draw your attention to. First of all, there's the My Account section. And these are links to pages that will be useful for you individually as a user. But where we're going to focus on in this video is by looking at the Appointment Management section and the second link. And when I click on Customer Profiles, it takes me to those profiles. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is that we've got this header card at the top. In the second card, we have the ability to search profiles. We can search profile by first name, last name, and by loyalty tier. Now, we will be discussing and reviewing the loyalty tier system in much greater detail in another video. So don't worry about that for now. If I want to search by first name, then I can click on that by first name field and I can enter in a name of any customer. So I happen to have a customer with the name Michael. And when I do that, it brings up the card for that user. If I click on the clear search button, it will clear the search and return to showing me all of the customer profiles. When I search by a first or a last name, I can also just enter in a few letters. I don't have to be concerned with capital letters because the search is case insensitive. So I'm just going to enter in here GER, hit the enter key, and it will then tell me there is one profile with GER in their last name. And when I look here, I can see Michael Germain has GER in their last name. When I clear the search, I can scroll down and manually look at each of the customer profiles. This search feature for customer profiles will be particularly useful if you have hundreds or thousands of customers in your Whurthy solution. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on Michael's profile here, and we will review the profile in detail. So in this second card here, the contact details card, we can see this button that will take me back to the previous page. And of particular importance here is the email verified section. When a customer registers, they will be required to enter in an email address. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I've hidden emails here, but you would see their email entered in. What will happen is they will receive an email asking them to verify their email. And when they click the link, it will change this value and it will appear as email verified, yes. If they haven't verified the email, it will say no here, and this entire row will be red. Generally, when you see the colors green, that is letting you know that something was successful. When you see the color red, it's trying to get your attention to either a warning, something did not work, or even an error. So for example, up here, I've got this button in the contact details card, and it says make staff. This button will only appear for super users. As I look down to the second card here, this is titled customer bookings. There's a link here to all bookings. We'll be looking at this later on. And then there's this button for booking an appointment. And as I move my cursor over the button, it changes color slightly. And that concludes the review of customer profiles and how to be able to begin the process of booking an appointment. In the next video, we're going to dive in booking an appointment for a customer. Whurthy, value made easy.